All right, what do we have here?
It's a little furred 8.8 going in my 1 series. So yeah, we're just gonna show you guys how to put in these seals so that our inner stubs fit nice and tight.
Yeah.
So, all right, let's do it. All right, step 6.9.
This is for stage 3 cars only.
That was the brake clean. Yeah. All right, well this one came out in stages, which is, okay, you just hit it again? Or?
Oh, yeah.
I was gonna say, all right, so sometimes just this will pop out. So then you can either just dent the side, crush it, pop it out, or you can continue with your chisel or flathead.
This one's kind of coming out on that side a little bit. So. Oh, there she goes.
So, yeah, as you can see, it just takes a few whacks with an enforcer.
Yeah.
And
sure, this is a Harbor Freight enforcer. Highly recommended.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. Anything Harbor Freight. All right, so now we'll just clean off all the gook that came in there, because I'm sure, like most of these diffs, it's been sitting in a junkyard for probably more than half of its life. There's not a single thing brake clean can't fix, so.
Yeah. Well, desert island, just go with some brake clean duct tape. So basically, you got some green gear oil gasket maker. This was pretty sweet. You can use bonding compound, whatever you want, but we like using this. Just kind of lubricates on the way in, seals all the little cavities. Just get a little bit around. You don't need much. So then you can just squirt a little around there. Alright, I'm just going to put it right there.
So yeah, just give it a few love taps, just make sure it's lined up straight.
Yeah, we're looking there pretty straight.
Yeah, it's straight.
Alright.
Trusty 2x4?
2x4, whatever's flat really, so you can hit the whole thing at once. Alright.
Alright.
Take a look in there. Looks like I need one more whack to get in there. Give it a second whack just to make sure. Alright.
One more.
One more?
This side.
Okay. Give it a bunch more. That's good. Alright, so basically, pass me a rag. Just gonna wipe off all the extra gook. Got your adapter in there. It's pretty sweet. Then you're gonna take your bushing that we supply. Cobra 8.8 bushing. Gonna slide in there a little bit. They're gonna hit it again with the 2x4 because the 2x4 is getting beat today. Ooh. Oh, voila.
In there like swimwear.
Yeah. So now you can put our stubs in there, and we'll tell you how to adjust the stubs for what differential you're using in the next video.
Well, still in this video, but.
Well, yeah. In the next segment.
It's been a while since we've done this, guys.
Yeah. So yeah, check that out. I'll get a little close-up view here. Oh yeah, look at that.
Buy expensive camera with zoom technology, still pick up tripod.
Hey man, I'm getting that maximum megapixel. Woo! All right. So, coming back from a different part of the driveway. See that stub right there? It's pretty sweet. See that differential right there? It's pretty sweet. That's carbon clutch 8.8 that we supply. It's pretty rad. So, these diff manufacturers, because there's so many variables within diffs, whether it's using an IRS or a solid axle, this center pin right here, they want you to grind that down to make your axles fit. That sucks to do. We don't want to do that. So what we do, we just take some material off the top of the stub. That way it clicks in like normal. We're going to show you how to do that. It's really easy. So basically you're going to take your stub. See, it's not clicking in. What the heck? Don't fret. It's not a big deal. We just need to take off about like 0.1 inches off the top here. So what we're going to do, move our fancy dip out the way. Get the trusty angle grinder, nice flat disc. Do a little scrapey scrape and get going. All right, so according to science and a micrometer, this is about 13 millimeters, 12, 9, something in there.
13. You can't tell the difference in 0.1 millimeter.
Yeah, you know,
it's a sheet of paper.
Yeah, so you're in there. So then this ours that fits, that we adjusted.
I think you're blocking the camera with your head.
Oh.
Nice move.
10.5. So really you're taking off like 2.5 millimeters.
Which is 1/10 of an inch. So depends on if you like inches or millimeters.
Yeah, so really you're taking off like a little bit on there. You're just trying to get it so it fits in and snaps in all the way, and that this is even. So we're just going to clean this up a little bit more and make sure it's even. Get this one good to go, and she'll be happy. A happy camper in there. Yeah, basically what you're doing is just getting the circlip to sit in the right spot. This is where the spline engagement is. This is kind of just like what's going past the spline engagement. Okay, give it a little wipe off.
So that Explorer power ripped down the road.
Oh man, this probably has a 488 in it. So, right there, it's back over here. Oh yeah. All right, we're in there. We have a slight bit of feeling movement. You can kind of feel it, and yeah, that's how you put a stub in a 488. So depending on your differential, you'll be different amounts. Ours is pretty standard. We take off at the same time, but the same amount. Oh my God,
English.
ours is pretty standard. We take about the same amount off every time. It's about the same amount. They tell you to grind off the center pin, but we just don't like doing that. So what we'll do is pop this out, clean it up a little bit, do the other stub, and we're just ready to go. All right, after taking